Welcome to Beautyistic, where today's beauty talk is all about bold color and vibrant shine. If you're tired of dull hair colors and you're looking for something dramatic yet nourishing, you might want to listen up. Today, we're diving into L'Oréal Paris Feria Multi-Faceted Shimmering Permanent Hair Color in the stunning V38 Violet Noir shade. It's a deep, intense violet with a prismatic effect that promises vibrant highlights. But does it really deliver? Let's find out. L'Oréal Paris Feria is known for its bold, multi-dimensional colors, and this Violet Noir shade is no exception. With its deep purple hue and 3x highlights, it promises to leave your hair looking not just colored, but alive with light. This product includes everything you need: a conditioning color creme, developer creme, an aromatic shimmer serum, and a power shimmer conditioner. These ingredients work together to give you a vibrant color while nourishing your hair, keeping it smooth and shiny, never flat or dull. Now, let's talk about using this product in real life. As someone who's tried plenty of hair dyes, I'll tell you right off the bat, Feria lives up to its reputation. The application was straightforward. The formula is rich and it feels smooth on the hair, making it easy to apply evenly, even for a beginner. The color payoff is strong. The violet shade is bold, but not overwhelming, and it gives a noticeable shimmer in the light, thanks to that prismatic effect. The real test, of course, is the finish. How does it look after rinsing and conditioning? Let me tell you, it's gorgeous. My hair felt smooth, nourished, and looked vibrant under the light. The highlights come through beautifully, with that intense purple hue providing a dramatic look without feeling too out there. But nothing's perfect. One thing I did notice is that the color did fade a little faster than I expected compared to some salon brands. If you're looking for something long-lasting, you may need to use a color-protecting shampoo to maintain the vibrancy. It's not a deal breaker, but something to consider for those who want their color to last. So let's break it down. The pros. This hair dye offers vibrant, multi-dimensional color that shines in natural light. It's easy to apply, and the included nourishing products really help keep the hair healthy, soft, and shiny. Plus, the color is bold and fun. Perfect if you're ready to take your hair color to the next level. The cons? The color doesn't last as long as some pricier salon options, so you may need to touch up a little sooner than you'd like. Now, when it comes to value for money, I'd say it's a solid choice. At a mid-range price, you're getting a nourishing, vibrant color. It's not the most budget-friendly, but considering the results and the fact that it includes multiple products to keep your hair in great condition, I'd say it's worth it. If you're looking for a cheaper alternative, you could try other permanent dyes from L'Oréal's range, or even brands like Clairol that offer similar bold colors for a more affordable price. However, you may not get the same level of nourishment and shimmer that Feria provides. In terms of build quality, the packaging is standard for a drugstore hair dye. Nothing too fancy, but practical. The results, though, are what really stand out. This product is made for people who want a bold, attention-grabbing color without sacrificing hair health. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Now, customer service? I haven't had a direct interaction with L'Oréal regarding this product, but based on their overall reputation, they're known for offering good customer support if you ever have any issues or need assistance. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Did it work for you? Were you happy with the vibrancy? To wrap it up, I'd recommend L'Oréal Paris Feria Multi-Faceted Shimmering Permanent Hair Color for anyone who loves experimenting with bold colors and wants a product that'll leave their hair feeling nourished and shiny. If you're looking for something a bit more long-lasting or salon quality, you might want to look elsewhere. But for a vibrant, fun, and affordable option, this one checks the boxes. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.